What's up, guys? So this mount for the insta360, I bought it on Amazon. It's like 24 bucks, way cheaper than buying the insta360 motorcycle mount. I had two of them. It dropped. This is exact same thing. Rubber's the same, two pieces are the same. The metal's really good, quality's really good. And I have the Surron, as you can tell, the Surron, or not the Surron, but the Talaria mx4. So I'm gonna put it on. And this for the, I'm trying to get the back view when you ride. So I'm gonna strap this on. And what I learned from my insta360 one too is I didn't put zip ties on it. I watched a lot of other videos, tutorials, and they put zip ties and they put 2 points of contact. So I'm gonna put zip ties right here, and when I put the GoPro stick right here, or the insta360 stick, I'm gonna zip tie it right here. So there's 2 points of contact, so it doesn't, when the shaking happens, it doesn't fall off. So I'm gonna zip tie this bad boy. Oh, I'm gonna actually put on the insta360 stick too. This is the 360 stick. It's perfect. So I'm gonna put this right here. Tie this down. I want this height, so this is perfect. Yeah, so the reason why I lost the other one is because I didn't zip tie, and if you guys know or had a motorcycle mount, this shit always falls off. So never trust the device. It's not that great. So I'm gonna zip tie this shit just to make it stay. That's one. I'm gonna put one more just to be safe. Put it right here on this stick, and then make sure this is tight. Okay. And then I'm gonna zip tie this. And you get cheap zip ties at the dollar store or 99-cent store. 99-cent store has the black ones, so that's why I fuck with them. Yeah. So this, there you go. That's on top. Actually, put the zip tie here. Let me get two more. I'm gonna zip tie it up here too, just to be safe. And this right here is gonna stay right here for a long time, so I'm not gonna really take this shit off. But then I'm gonna do one more right here in the back side. As you can see, it's like right down here. So I'm gonna zip tie like right here to right here, so go around. Yeah, so for this link for the motorcycle mount, I'm gonna have it at the very bottom of the description. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Hopefully this fits. Heck yeah, and it does. Zip ties are your best friend, man. Heck yeah. So we're back. Yeah, so that's it. So there's 2 points of contact, and yeah, the link is gonna be on the description at the very bottom. Thanks. I'm gonna test it out right now. Of course, this is the final product. Sorry, my house is messy. But yeah, 2 points of contact. So there's one, there's two, so there's no wobbling that as much. And I'm gonna cut these, of course. Yeah.